don't know me, I'm Sanchez, and this is Murder Supply Co. Bike Shop, Corning, California. And if you don't know, okay, today is bike check day. So me and Murder Supply, best bike shop in Corning, NorCal, we built this bike over here. Can you see that bike? Me and Murder were like, yo, let's just like ball out and fucking make you a fresh ass new bike. Like honestly, I feel like I'm like pro with this bike, but I'm not pro. I'm a nobody right now, but I'll pop off, don't worry. Been riding it for like the past like 4 days. It's been fucking sick as fuck. Alright fools, the bike check. Okay, so I went with the Morgan long frame because this frame is like, it's steep in the front end. It's hella sick. It's like, I can't even do nose manuals, but like, I want to do them, so I bought this frame. I was like, I'm gonna do nose manuals. It's got like a 75.75 head angle, hella steep. Talk back. I don't know about the rear end. I think it's a little bit shorter. We got a BSD seat, shadow seat post, the Primo tenderizer pedals. I went with the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. They're 2-piece cranks, they're pretty tight. They come with this funny ass little wedge thing. It's like this band of little fucking like metal plates that you have to stretch over the spindle, and it's like, what the fuck? Odyssey Aaron Ross stem. I went with the Odyssey highway bars. I think they're 29.5, and then they might be 30 wide. They're hella wide. When I throw bars, I'm like hitting my knees and shit. I'm like, bing! No good. I'm gonna cut those soon. And I heard it. Okay, it fucks your warranty when you cut your bars. So if you want your warranty, don't cut your bars. But if you're like me and you don't give a fuck, cut your bars. I went with the Stranger Quan Whips. I went with the Stranger Quan grips. They're pretty grippy. When my hands get hella sweaty though, they get hella slippery. I don't know if that's like every grip or I need gloves, but yeah. Fucking Primo bar ends are on my forks. The Odyssey R32s. They have R20. Fuck, 25s. I think they have R25s. Is it 25? I don't know. But they have R25s, which are more steeper. I didn't want to go with those ones because the frame's already 75.75. So with the 75.75 and the R25s, that shit would have been like hella steep, like twitchy. Like, I got the Stranger Ballast tires. I went with the Odyssey clutch back wheel or back hub. Sweet, because you can adjust it with a little Allen key. You just take this little silver piece off. And then right about there, you can adjust it. For the front, I use the anti-gram hub, and then I have a matching pair of both Odyssey Hazard Light black hoops with Odyssey spokes and nipples. I went with the Sunday Knox sprocket. It's a 28 tooth. Honestly, I don't know why people don't run 28 tooth. Sunday Knox. Dope. I'm gonna cut out so much shit from this. Huge thanks for Murder Supply Co. in Corning, California. If you're in the NorCal and you want some fucking decently good priced parts, hit them up. Murder Supply Co. We're on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook for sure. He's got his website coming up. It's not done yet. He's working on that. Super cool guy to work with. Fucking dude, we're trying to build up the community. That's what we're always trying to do. You know, help support the locals. We're a growing company. So shout out all the companies that we added to the bike. Primo, Odyssey, Shadow, Stranger, BSD, and Fit. All the parts, quality parts, awesome. You gotta pay to play, for real.